RBK Futsal, located at Mawshbuit, SweetFalls. Constructed and designed according with modern technology. Its size is approximately 75 meters in length and 52 meters in breadth, in which a standard soccer match or an 11 A-side game can be played. RBK Futsal is about 6 kilometers from Adanwati police station. RBK Futsal warmly welcomes any team, local, visiting or just friends looking for a challenge to come and showcase your skills and enjoy the thrill of the game. Whether you're playing for fun, fitness or competition, RBK Futsal Ground is ready for you. For bookings and confirmation, kindly contact the phone number displayed